This is going to be a tutorial on how to submit an assignment on Classroom from your iPad. So let's pretend like we are on the same classroom here and I want to go find my assignment. I go to Classroom and I go to this classwork option here. It looks like a little clipboard and I go to find my assignment. I click on the assignment and there's a button at the bottom here with an arrow. It says your work. You have to swipe up on that arrow. You add the attachment. And you look for your attachment from your drive. And you go ahead and turn that in. But let's say I just submitted the wrong document. So the nice thing about Google is you can actually unsubmit an assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and unsubmit that. And I can go back into my drive and I can search for the right one. So if you don't know the name of it, you don't remember what you titled the document, you can go back through and search for the correct one. So you go back to the drive and there's a search button up here. And I submit the right one. And I turn it in and I'm done. And that's it.